Happy Palm Sunday, and as today is Palm Sunday, we are making Palmnut soup. Trust me, this was absolutely delicious. If today is the first time here, welcome to my kitchen. We share easy recipes here, and I am very sure that you will love it here. So please do not make it the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. To start with this, I have with me here my palm fruit. Okay, so it was palm fruit, we boiled it, and after that we pounded it. This is how it looks. Now let's put that aside and then boil some water and then proceed with the process. Thank you so much, my returning subscribers and followers. I am so grateful for your time. I don't take it for granted. Okay, yes, thank you so much for always spending some time with me. I am so thankful. Now I've added the hot water to it. I'll go ahead and then mix it very well, okay, because it is very hot, so I'm not using my hand. Yes, now after that we will proceed with what to do. So this is actually the authentic way of preparing palmnut soup in Ghana. Yes, now the mixture is a bit warm and my hand can handle that, so I am just going to squeeze the cream out or the juice out, and then we can proceed. Thank you so much. We are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes, so please do well to follow us, and trust me, you will love it. On TikTok, Instagram, and then our YouTube shorts, we share short detailed videos and you will love it. Now I have my proteins here, okay, and I've added my homemade natural spice and herbs blend, okay, and I added my seasoning and then my salt. I have covered it. I'll allow it to cook very well and then we proceed. I don't remember the type of protein I use though. It's an old video, so forgive me, but as time goes on I'll be able to tell you the protein I use. Now after squeezing the juice or the cream from the chaff, okay, I placed the chaff in the bowl again and then added some hot water to it, and that is what I am currently bringing out the juice. Okay, I don't know whether you get me. So after the first one that I brought out the juice, now we are straining it. We are coming to strain it. Okay, the second part you just saw, the clip you just saw before this, was the chaff. Okay, I re-added some hot water to it and I brought out another juice from it. Okay, and we'll be straining that as well. So this is the first one we did. Now let's strain it. You can actually use any strainer, the olden one or this one, and you are good to go. Now we are doing this so that we would not want to see any chaff in the soup. So this is actually how we do it in Ghana or Africa. Okay, so you see that? Yes, and I will just go ahead and then strain the second one we did. I don't know if you still get me. So the second one we did, the chaff that you are seeing right now, I added water to it and then I strained that, or I brought another juice from it and then I strained it. That is what I meant. So I can see that the proteins we have here are the cow feet and I have some goat meat. Yes, now our meat is looking so good, and I will just go ahead and then add the mixture to it. So we allowed the mixture to stay for some time so that it can settle. Okay, so the palm fruit itself has this black part that when you pound and extract the juice, you can see that. Yes, you see it being settled under your mixture. So now we have added that to the proteins, and we are going to allow this to be on fire to cook or boil or anyhow you say, but I guess you understand it. So now you can see the soup is doing so well, and I've added my onions. When making palmnut soup, you need a lot of onions, or enough. Okay, it adds some taste and flavor to your soup. I added some tomatoes, that is fresh tomatoes. If you want to use tomato paste, you can go ahead and do so. Now we are going to allow the vegetables to cook very well, and then we can attend to that as well. If you've watched me till this point, oh my goodness, you are so amazing. Thank you. Yes, thank you so much. I am so grateful. Now our vegetables are ready. I am just going to remove them and then blend. Okay, when I'm done blending, we will come back. Now I added some more water to it, and just look at that, we are done. I will just add it to the soup on fire and allow the soup to do its own magic. This will also make the soup to become a bit thick, or if you want it a bit watery, you can just add more water to it. Okay, yes, everyone and how they want their things. Now let's allow this to be on fire, and then I'll get back to you shortly. We have another YouTube channel which we share the recipe in Twi language, and the name is Recipe Goddess. Please follow us and you will love it there as well. Now I will add my peppers, and then we are good to go. So with the second channel, we share different videos. Okay, it's not the same video, so please do well to follow me there as well. Now we are just going to allow the pepper to cook very well, and then we proceed. When I was seasoning the meat, I added some pepper to it. Okay, so with this pepper, we are just going to leave it in the soup for anyone who wants extra spiciness. Now the soup is doing well, and I can boldly say that the soup is ready. Just look at that, absolutely mouth-watering. And we pair this with fufu. Oh my goodness, everyone fell in love with it because the taste, oh my, words cannot explain it. It was so nice. Now this is what we do in Africa or in Ghana. You just have to scoop the oil on top, and you can use that to prepare anything that requires palm oil. So this is actually palm oil, and trust me, I got a lot. Yes, and with this particular palm oil, it is very flavorful due to the ingredients we used for the soup. Thank you so much for watching till this point. Please do well to share to others, like the video, leave me your comment in the comment section, and I will say that I am so grateful that you have watched me till this point. So I come your way next time. Please do not forget to take good care of yourself and love yourself first. See you in the next video. Bye bye.